Reasons to choose low-E windows for your Massachusetts window installation. When your window seals deteriorate or your frames start to decay, leading to drafts and high energy bills, your home could benefit significantly from low-E window replacements. What are low-E windows? Low-E is short for low emittance or low emissivity and consists of glass containing a microscopic coating, making a window more energy efficient. What benefits can you expect from low-E windows? Lower energy costs, harmful UV light protection, greater comfort, allows natural light in and reduces glare, added value to your home, and lowers your carbon footprint. Where can you find the best low-E windows? At Jancewicz Son, we use Marvin windows, which provide the best quality and most solid performance for Massachusetts homes. With multiple styles and material options catered to our harsh climate, you'll surely find low-E windows to match your home's aesthetic. Why choose us for your low-E windows? At Jancewicz Son, we care about our work and customers, doing everything in our power to make your experience positive. We make our window replacement and installation process as easy as possible, streamlining our efforts and working smartly and stress-free. Call Jancewicz Son today at 1-800-281-3585 for a free estimate on your low-E window replacement.